guys, today we are doing a decoupage. And first, you have to put the stickers on, but I accidentally put the eyes on before I put the stickers on. But we just got started, and now we have to stick it on real good. Like we have to press it really hard. That way I will paint my giraffe over and over, and then I'm going to dip this in here so I can paint it. And this is the box where you get it out and you put the eyeballs on. And you put the eyeballs on very nicely. What does that mean? You overlap the stickers. What was all of me? What was all of me? Hello, today I'm making a giraffe and I'm painting it, but not yet. She's not painting it, it's glue, guys. And scoot you out the video. It's glue, so you can like glue the eyes on, guys. Yeah, so you dip this in, but it's not time to make it
and
yet.
Please stay at the ending of this video, like watch the ending, because you get to see like what they look like. Like mine might be like that, and Sky's might be like Sky's might be like that. We don't know. So you stick around.
Miss out stuff. And you have to dip this in, not yet. You have to put a lot of stickers on it. Before you do the video, you put stickers on it.
And guys, why we have the string? It's for to tie around the neck.
Uh-oh.
And I'm almost done, and after we're gonna glue like that, we're gonna glue the stickers. But I am just gonna keep going. Do you guys like my dog? If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Now we flatten it out, and then we put the glue on. I'm trying to get this on. And then, oh, now okay. Hi guys, now we are done, and we're gonna tie the string.
But what about my string?
And now we're done, and look at this. Oh, it's so cool and so cool, right? I just love it. Oh, I put too much at the bottom.
It's stuck to the plate.
I need
Oh, it looks so
somebody
pretty.
to help me.
Okay, Sky, let's see what you got.
I can't.
Ooh,
Okay, so let's see what you got.
it's so pretty.
Okay, start see what you got.
I can't put the string on it.
You know that.
So
I can't.
pretty.
I'm gonna say we already put the string on my giraffe, and we got it from the book. And I found it.
The bookstore, Got Walls Books.
Got Walls Books. And where did we got this?
Got Walls Books.
Got Walls Books.
Got walls.